My brother and I got attacked about a year ago. It was after a big tournament in Beijing. My brother won, but the guy he beat wanted revenge. So he got a couple of guys and they cornered us. We were outnumbered. One of them pulled a knife. Bo was screaming for me to help him. I froze.